everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. I've got a great little project to share with you today. Super cute project. I originally saw this idea from a German demonstrator. Her name is Nadine Koller. I will have her version linked in the description below. But just a super cute little treat pouch, and I'm going to show you how we create today's project. Now you can do this for baby showers, birthdays, thank yous. These are great for craft fairs if you like to do craft fairs. Very easy to do. The designer series paper that I'm using today is the Twinkle Twinkle. I'm on a Twinkle Twinkle kick. And then for my little sentiment, I am using the Treat Time stamp set and coordinating framelits. I use this little guy here, and then I use the 1 3/8 inch scalloped circle punch and just went ahead and stamped and punched out my sentiment. So to get started, we are going to bring in our trimmer. Now you can use your trimmer for this, or you can use your simply scored board. These pieces measure 2 inch by 10 inch, and you're going to need 2 strips of this. We are going to score this at 4 and at 6. And you're going to do that on both pieces. What you're going to do now is you are going to take your banner triple punch. You're going to slot it in as far as it will go. And you're going to flag off the ends. Again, doing it on both pieces. We now need to do some additional scoring. Now again, you can use your Stampin' Trimmer or your simply scored board, but what you're going to do is that score mark that you made here, you're going to line that in your trimmer at that corner, and you are going to line it up to that corner. So just eyeballing it. Oops. And you're going to score. You're going to do it on the opposite side. So you're going to go again, lining it up from that corner now. To that corner. So basically what you're doing is you're making a triangle. Now you can do this on your simply scored. Let me show you. The simply score board, I have mine marked at 6 inches. You will notice I have a Sharpie going down here. And all you're going to do, again, you need to do both sides. So you're going to line that mark up on your scoreboard like so, and then line it up like so, and then you can run, you know, your score line. And again, you're going to repeat that, so lining it up on that black Sharpie mark, lining it up to that mark, and you're going to score, and that's it. You're going to now fold your score lines Now you can use your bone folder. And on this, you're going to fold like so. Fold back like so. Okay, so now you're going to take some multi-purpose liquid glue. I like to use the wet glue because it gives you a few minutes to play around. And add some glue. And that, my friends, is all there is to it. How cute is that? I love it. And what you're going to do, you're going to take your handheld punch. This is the 1/8 inch. And you're just going to punch a hole on each side. And I am just eyeballing it. Like so. You're going to take your ribbon. You want to make sure you cut your ribbon so you've got a nice little point. For my sentiment, I stamped it with the gray ink. Now you can fit some candy in here, you can fit a Ferrero Rocher, you can fit a tea light candle. And you are going to feed your ribbon through. You're going to tie yourself a nice little bow. God, I'm the worst bow tire in the world, I swear. Cut away the excess, cut away that yuckiness, just like so. I'm going to pop this up with dimensionals. And that is going to go onto my little bag, like so. Super cute, you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel, that way you don't miss my next video. I love to hear from you. Please leave me a comment. If you're interested in any of the product that I used in today's video, I will have them linked down in the description below. I will also have a written detailed description with measurements over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there. And I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thank you for stopping by. Take care.